Welcome to the 10 Minutes Gold Mine, where every book gives you a treasure of knowledge in just 10 minutes. The Art of Mindfulness. How can it transform your life? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of your daily life, struggling to find peace amidst the noise? Mindfulness for Beginners by Jon Kabat-Zinn offers an insightful and transformative answer. By cultivating mindfulness, you can learn to be present in the moment and bring a sense of calm to your mind. This book introduces you to mindfulness practices that allow you to break free from stress, anxiety, and the mental clutter that often dominates our lives. But what exactly is mindfulness, and why is it so powerful? The book reveals that mindfulness isn't just a trendy buzzword. It's a transformative tool that can help you live a more conscious, peaceful life. It's not about controlling your thoughts or emotions, but observing them without judgment and becoming more aware of your inner and outer experiences. So what are the essential elements of mindfulness, and how can they bring lasting change to your life? Let's explore the key principles of mindfulness and see how this practice can shift your perspective on life, helping you live more fully in each moment. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment, with a sense of openness, curiosity, and non-judgment. It's the ability to be fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings without getting lost in them. Kabat-Zinn explains that mindfulness is about cultivating a state of mind where you observe your experiences with clarity and acceptance, rather than reacting impulsively or getting caught up in distractions. In his book, Kabat-Zinn encourages beginners to start with the basics, simply focusing on the breath. By bringing your attention to the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits the body, you begin to create a space of awareness that allows you to notice your thoughts and emotions without becoming consumed by them. But why is this so important? In a world filled with constant distractions, the practice of mindfulness helps to anchor us in the present moment. When we're mindful, we can experience life with greater clarity and calmness, free from the mental clutter that often dominates our minds. The science behind mindfulness. Many people are curious about the science behind mindfulness and whether it actually works. In Mindfulness for Beginners, Kabat-Zinn takes a deep dive into the research that supports the effectiveness of mindfulness practices. Numerous studies have shown that mindfulness can have profound effects on both our mental and physical health. One of the most notable benefits of mindfulness is its ability to reduce stress. Studies have demonstrated that mindfulness-based practices can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, leading to a greater sense of calm and relaxation. In fact, mindfulness has been shown to help people with a range of stress-related conditions, such as anxiety, depression, and even chronic pain. But the benefits of mindfulness don't stop there. Kabat-Zinn also points to studies that suggest mindfulness can improve focus, boost immune function, and even promote emotional resilience. In essence, mindfulness is a practice that enhances not only mental well-being but also physical health, making it a holistic approach to self-care. The power of paying attention. At its core, mindfulness is about paying attention. This is easier said than done, given the many distractions that bombard us on a daily basis. Kabat-Zinn stresses that mindfulness is not about escaping from the world or achieving a state of perpetual calm. Instead, it's about being present with whatever is happening in your life, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant, without judgment. When you cultivate the ability to be present, you gain the power to respond to situations with greater clarity and wisdom, rather than reacting impulsively or automatically. This practice of being present can be applied to all areas of life, from relationships to work, and even to mundane daily tasks like eating or walking. Through mindfulness, you can start to notice the small details of life that you might otherwise overlook. For example, when eating, you can fully savor the flavors and textures of your food, allowing you to enjoy the moment rather than rushing through it. This heightened awareness can bring a sense of richness and depth to even the most ordinary moments. The practice of meditation. While mindfulness can be practiced at any time throughout the day, Kabat-Zinn emphasizes the importance of meditation as a foundational practice for cultivating mindfulness. Meditation allows you to create space for mindfulness by setting aside time each day to focus your attention on the present moment. The book outlines a variety of meditation techniques that can help beginners get started with mindfulness practice. One of the most common methods is focusing on the breath, as mentioned earlier. However, Kabat-Zinn also introduces other techniques such as body scan meditation, where you bring awareness to different parts of your body, and loving kindness meditation, which focuses on cultivating compassion and kindness towards yourself and others. The key to meditation, according to Kabat-Zinn, is consistency. Just like any skill, mindfulness requires regular practice to become effective. Even if you start with just a few minutes each day, over time you will begin to notice the positive effects of mindfulness on your mental and physical well-being. Mindfulness in everyday life. One of the most powerful aspects of mindfulness is its ability to transform everyday activities. Kabat-Zinn emphasizes that mindfulness isn't just something you do on the meditation cushion, it's something you bring with you throughout the day. By cultivating mindfulness, you can begin to approach all aspects of your life with greater awareness and presence. For example, when you're walking, you can pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground, the sounds around you, and the movement of your body. Instead of rushing from one task to another, you can take the time to fully experience each moment. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or simply sitting in a meeting, mindfulness allows you to bring more attention and intention to your actions. The idea is to approach each moment with curiosity, as if you're experiencing it for the first time. This can help you break free from autopilot mode, where you go through the motions of life without truly engaging with the present moment. By practicing mindfulness in everyday activities, you can cultivate a deeper sense of connection to yourself and the world around you. Overcoming challenges with mindfulness. While mindfulness offers numerous benefits, it's important to acknowledge that it's not always easy. Kabat-Zinn recognizes that beginners may face challenges in maintaining focus or being present, especially when emotions or thoughts become overwhelming. However, he encourages readers to embrace these challenges as part of the process. Mindfulness isn't about achieving perfection or suppressing negative thoughts. Rather, it's about accepting whatever arises in the moment with openness and compassion. If your mind wanders during meditation, gently guide it back to your breath without judgment. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, notice those feelings without trying to push them away. By practicing mindfulness with patience and self-compassion, you begin to build resilience and emotional stability. Kabat-Zinn also emphasizes that mindfulness isn't a quick fix. It's a lifelong practice that requires ongoing dedication. The more you practice mindfulness, the more natural it becomes, and the greater the benefits you'll experience. The key is to approach the practice with curiosity, openness, and a willingness to embrace whatever comes your way. The ripple effect of mindfulness. One of the most profound aspects of mindfulness is its ability to create a ripple effect in your life. As you become more mindful, you may notice that your relationships improve, your stress levels decrease, and your sense of well-being increases. Mindfulness has the power to transform not only your own life, but also the lives of those around you. Kabat-Zinn highlights that mindfulness is contagious. When you practice mindfulness, you're more likely to respond to others with greater patience and understanding. This can lead to improved communication and deeper connections with the people in your life. As you cultivate mindfulness, you create a more peaceful and harmonious environment for yourself and those around you. But how can you maintain a consistent mindfulness practice amidst the busyness of life? The answer lies in integrating mindfulness into your daily routine, whether it's through meditation, mindful breathing, or simply being present in everyday activities. Conclusion. A path to a more fulfilling life. In Mindfulness for Beginners, Jon Kabat-Zinn invites us to embrace the practice of mindfulness as a way to bring more peace, clarity, and joy into our lives. Through mindfulness, we can break free from the constant distractions of modern life and cultivate a deeper connection to the present moment. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or simply live more consciously, mindfulness offers a powerful path forward. The key is to start small and be consistent. Just like any new skill, mindfulness requires practice. By taking small steps each day to bring more awareness into your life, you'll begin to notice the transformative power of mindfulness. So are you ready to embrace the present moment and start your journey towards a more mindful life? That's it for today's 10 minutes. Gold mine. If you find value in this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We upload +5 videos each day. Lastly, if you have any book in mind that you want to listen to, feel free to type the name in the comments. See you in the next one.